Hey, Liz.
Hello. Hey, how's it going?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. No Danielle today, but
I
she will be
know.
back with us next week. We are trying to find an inspector to sit with us and go over home inspections. But until we do that, we will be talking today about interest rates. Well, what
Yeah.
we can talk about interest rates because Laura
Mm-hmm.
cannot specifically talk about a number, but she
Right.
will tell us what she's expecting. And this is going to be more her floor today. So I'll let
I'm
her
excited though
take it
for the
away.
inspector. The inspector one I think is really going to be a good one.
Yeah,
Um, so if
absolutely.
anybody out there is watching this and you have questions about what an inspector does when you go under contract and you
Mm,
have to meet the inspector at the house, put questions out there because that's going to be a good one for you guys to hear it right from the horse's mouth.
yeah.
So rates today, everybody's hearing this. You hear it in the news on, from everybody that rates are supposed to come down. When are they coming down? I wish we all knew. I wish we had that crystal
Right.
ball um, that said when it was going to happen. But we are hopeful that it will happen in September. That's all I'm going to say is we're in the industry. We're hopeful rates are going to drop in September, and maybe we'll get two rate drops by the end of the year, or
That would be
maybe
nice.
something in September, right? And maybe something in the
Hmm.
first quarter of 2026. We don't know. So, what I'm going to tell people is historically, that's supposed to happen. And for a lot of people, you're going to save a lot of money.
Right.
So don't wait for rates to drop to apply for the mortgage. Best piece of advice if you want any insider info, that's it. And there's not a lot of lenders that will allow you to do this, but we are allowing people right now to put your applications in now because we have software where I can enter your current interest rate, your current monthly payment, and it will flag instantly. You could tell me actually, I want to refinance when I'm saving $150 a month, or
Right.
or you see, you can either do it in a dollar amount or you can do it in a percentage. If rates drop a 0.5%, I want to refinance. But we
Right.
have it all built into our software and it flags us instantly. But here's the problem and why I'm telling people to do this. If you go in line now, you complete the application online, it takes all of 5 minutes. We pull a soft credit report, so it does not act as an inquiry on your credit report. That's important. So you just sit out there now waiting for that rate drop. The key is now that you're in our system, when rates jump down, we can go into your loan and automatically lock you instantly. Where
Yeah.
the other way around is if you're just sitting out here as a consumer waiting and you hear, oh, the rates dropped, take action, you're already behind the eight ball because everybody else is running to the same thing. And the problem is we cannot just take your loan application and lock you. There's a series of steps that have to occur. You have to be in the software in order for us to lock you. So you're already losing precious time because if this flood of people go into the system, lenders can only keep up with a specific amount of loan volume as well because you need a lot of employees to do this job. So what's going to happen is rates are going to start fluctuating up and down to control the loan volume. This happened during COVID. Same thing.
Right.
And they just keep increasing rates and lowering them because they have to control the volume somehow. And not only
Mhm.
are we going to be overwhelmed with refinances, we're all going to be overwhelmed with purchases because now all
Yep.
these sellers, right,
Yep. Are
that
gonna
have
be like,
been,
woo, it's time.
yes, finally we can sell our house because maybe they have a 4.5% interest rate or a 5% interest rate that they don't want to give up.
Yeah.
But now that rates are down, they're like, perfect. We're selling our house and we're getting the house that we've had our eye on. So
Hmm.
it's going to get incredibly busy. So
Yeah. And
that's
that's what we
my
all want.
best.
Well, I want that for some of my buyers who have just been waiting.
Yeah.
And it's, slim pickings out there. And just so if you're a seller and you're getting ready, call us. We'll get you started. Look back
Mm,
at our videos of how to get started. If you're a buyer and you're wondering, but I don't know how to get started, now's the time to talk to Laura because
yeah.
before it's too late, because if it comes busy and you're not pre-approved yet and there's stuff that you need to do, well, you're going to
Yeah.
miss out on this big spot and this time.
Yeah,
So,
you have to
and then you'll
prepare
be
to
coming
take
around
advantage of
spring
it.
and hoping that there's
Hmm.
something left, and there might not be anything left,
Yeah. There's
you
always
know.
moments in your life that if you would have, you look back on it, right? I wish I would have. This is
Yeah,
one of those moments where a lot of people
right.
missed out on the 2008 during COVID, the rate drops where we were locking at incredibly low rates because when the rates rates are moving all day long. They're adjusting to market,
Right.
economic news, whatever it might be. So we can see the live pricing constantly throughout the day. So all we have to do is everybody that's sitting in our system, we just consistently look and we're like, okay, the rates hit whatever it might be.
Right.
I'm not even going to throw a number out there, but the rates
Right.
are super low today. I am locking you in, jump on this. So that's how to
Yep.
do it.
So now it's time. It is time.
And
Fall's
Lindsay, I think that was
coming.
actually a great statement as well at sellers. If you are even thinking and considering about selling your house and you are waiting for the rates to come down to do it,
Mhm.
same thing. As a seller, you need to prepare for
Yep.
the future house. If you're going to mortgage that future house, you should also prepare now, but also meet with the real estate agent and discuss
Yeah.
the things that need to be done as a seller, because otherwise you're going to be waiting in line and you could miss out
And
on.
it's a free consultation. We come on over to your house. We walk through. You tell us, what you've done, what you haven't done, what you plan to do maybe in the next couple of weeks, and we'll let you know
Yeah.
what we think it's worth and what we think it could be worth if you did get these couple things done. So
Yeah.
it's not a bad thing to get it done. Or if maybe afterwards you're like, you know what, we don't want to sell now. It's just up to you at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Get the CMA done, and we'll see where
Well,
we're at.
because the phones ring off the hooks, and
Hmm.
people don't understand that. They don't know that, but it's true. I mean, during COVID,
Hmm.
we were working till 3 and 4 in the morning. Loan officers
Yeah.
and real estate agents, like
Yeah.
that was the only
I
way
just
you
had
could
see I
possibly
had
keep up.
just missed that. I got licensed right after, which
Yeah,
is funny because I was postpartum with my first baby, so it took me a little long to get my license, but yeah, I
yeah.
missed that
It
time. But I
it
did
was an
catch the tail
incredible
end,
time.
a little bit,
Hmm.
and it would be amazing to see it again and to be able to work
I think it
in
will
it.
happen again because the rates are going to come
Yeah.
down. And it's actually going to probably be pretty close to those days because we will be bombarded
Mhm.
with refinances and with sellers.
Yeah.
Obviously, we have a bunch of buyers waiting in the wings, and sellers selling their homes is going to help all these buyers because there's not enough
Yep.
inventory right now. So it's going to be
Yeah.
a big push. So that's a good
Yep. So
thing.
now's the time. And there's a
Yeah.
lot of videos. I'll try to maybe this time when I post, I'll try to pin a seller video and a buyer video in the
Yeah.
comments. So you can also then refer to those um
Okay.
as to where to get started, right?
Yeah. I'll make a separate
Okay.
video for a buyer video
So
so you can pin that.
I'll put our phone numbers down there too. If you want to just, call Laura, call me, call Danielle.
Mm-hmm.
It's a phone call.
It's
That's
a
all
phone
it is,
call, or even I have a link. You click on the
oh
link,
yeah, a
it
link.
takes you to the
Mhm.
application, and it literally is 5 minutes.
There
And
you go.
again, it doesn't pull your credit report, so it doesn't pull a hard inquiry. So you really have nothing to lose. You're just being smarter. Work smarter, not harder.
Yep.
On that
All
note,
right, everyone. I think that's pretty good. There's a
yeah,
lot of good information today. Once
yeah.
again, free consumer information. Share with anyone you know looking to buy or sell. And yeah,
Like and share.
like and share, interact. The comments help. We're trying here. It's hard out here sometimes on social media, but I know one day
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna be
Yes.
the go-to source. I just know it.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
Very
All right,
good.
everybody.
Enjoy your
Have a
weekends,
great
everybody.
weekend.
Bye.
Bye bye.